Sugar is added to many packaged marinades, but you don't need sugar to make a mouth-watering grilled dinner. Let's fire up the grill and make a no-added sugar grilled flank steak. Stir all ingredients together in a bowl. Pour the marinade mixture into a big, sealable plastic bag. Add steak to bag and marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Remove steak from marinade, heat grill to medium-high, and grill steak to desired doneness. Allow steaks to rest for 5 minutes before slicing against the grain. Now let's make a no-sugar-added grilled ginger peanut chicken marinade too. Slowly stir hot water into peanut butter in a large bowl until mixed. Add soy sauce, peanut oil, ginger juice, and rice vinegar. Pour no-sugar-added marinade into a large, resealable plastic bag. Add chicken breast and turn to coat chicken with marinade. Refrigerate for at least 6 hours. Remove chicken breasts from marinade. Heat grill to medium and grill chicken breasts, turning occasionally until an internal temperature of 165 degrees is reached. Serve your friends and family a delicious barbecue meal without all the unnecessary sugar.